In this video, I will show you how to write E with Grave in Microsoft Word. So click on Insert, then Symbol, More Symbols, Font, select Normal Text and Subset Latin 1 Supplement, and here select E. You can access it by typing this character code 00C8 00C8, and here is the shortcut Control plus backquote following by Shift E, then Insert. Similarly, you can write any type of E with acute, with these all options. Similarly, you can write I with these all options. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.